Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and today we're looking at the DeWalt DCL043 Spotlight. I've wanted this one for a while, and it was on sale for Black Friday. Check the video description, and I can put some other links where you can pick it up. It's about $100, and we'll be comparing it to the little DCL040 Worklight, which came with the other 5 tools that I bought as a big pack, so sometimes they throw that one in there. And so this one can articulate 120 degrees, and the floodlight can do 90 degrees. Both of these lights have the little ring on the back, which is helpful for carrying it around or hanging it up when you're not using it. However, it's much bigger on the Spotlight. So of course the Spotlight's going to be brighter. It has 4 large LEDs on it. And so we'll just put these side by side and show you what they look like in the dark and under a few examples. On the Spotlight, it's 1500 lumens, or if you hit the button again, it goes down to 500 lumens, and then the button again will turn it off. The smaller Spotlight Worklight is just on or off. Make sure you do read through all of the warnings and instructions. It does come with an operator manual as well, and some small warnings here on the side, so make sure that you read through all of that. Okay, here's the regular Worklight. Here's the Spotlight. Much brighter, of course. Worklight, Spotlight. Okay, lights out. Here's the Worklight. Here's the Spotlight. Ooh, much brighter. So here's the Worklight again, the smaller one, and it really isn't bad. It's pretty bright, but the beam is pretty concentrated in the middle. And with the Spotlight, it's the same. You do have a concentration of the main beam, but then you have a lot of extra light around it too. So it is far brighter, of course. That's what you'd expect with 4 different LEDs instead of just the one. But it was a very good light. I'm very happy with it. I don't regret purchasing it. It's pretty bright. That's the little one. There's the bright. That's even a lot more bright, of course. So hopefully you enjoyed the video. I do have a Milwaukee headlamp as well that's very useful in uptight, close spaces under the car. We'll see how this works. This is a very bright light. It's a Spotlight, of course, so maybe it won't be as good for working up close under the car, but I was really happy for it. I've had my times where you go out looking for a lost pet or something like that, or out on a camping trip, and so I like that the batteries are all interchangeable, and so I think I'm going to really enjoy having this. So anyway, check the video description. I'll put some links where you can pick it up, and if you're new to the channel, feel free to subscribe. I'll put my playlist with all the other tool reviews that I've done as well. Thanks, guys.